Welcome, history enthusiasts, to a journey back in time. We're about to uncover the enduring mysteries of ancient Egypt. Our focus, the colossal pyramids and the enigmatic pharaohs who commanded their creation. Symbols of power and engineering, these ancient structures hold secrets that continue to baffle and intrigue us. How were they built? What was their true purpose? And what of the pharaohs, these god-kings who ruled with absolute authority? Their lives and legacies are woven into these stones. Today, we delve into these questions, exploring the enduring allure of ancient Egypt and its monumental achievements. First, let's meet the builders. Who were these people, and what drove them to undertake such monumental tasks? Ancient Egyptian society was highly structured, with a deep connection to their gods and the afterlife. This belief system was paramount. Their religious convictions fueled the construction of pyramids, seen as sacred pathways for their rulers to the eternal realm. But how did they achieve such engineering marvels without modern technology? Theories abound, from ramps to levers. Evidence suggests sophisticated planning and an organized workforce. Quarrying the massive stones was the first challenge. Then came the arduous task of transporting these multi-ton blocks across the desert, often over long distances. The precision with which these stones were placed, often without mortar, remains a testament to their skill and ingenuity. The purpose of these pyramids was multifaceted. Grand tombs for pharaohs, ensuring their journey to the afterlife. They were also monumental statements of power, eternal symbols of the pharaoh's divine rule and legacy. These structures were believed to be gateways, connecting the earthly realm with the celestial, guiding the pharaoh's soul. Now, let's turn our attention to the pharaohs themselves, the rulers and deities who commanded these incredible feats. Iconic figures like Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure are forever linked to the pyramids of Giza, their names echoing through history. Pharaohs were not just rulers. They were considered living gods, intermediaries between humanity and the divine. Their daily lives were steeped in elaborate rituals, designed to maintain cosmic order and ensure prosperity for Egypt. The journey to the afterlife was paramount, leading to the intricate process of mummification. This elaborate preservation was believed to guarantee the pharaoh's eternal existence and successful transition to the next world. Burial chambers were filled with treasures and provisions, ensuring the pharaoh lacked nothing in the afterlife. Tomb paintings depicted scenes from their lives, religious texts, and maps for the perilous journey through the underworld. Even today, these ancient sites continue to yield new discoveries, revealing more about these powerful rulers. The pyramids and pharaohs are not just history. They are a living testament to human ambition and belief. Despite centuries of study, many mysteries surrounding the pyramids and pharaohs remain unsolved. Recent technologies, like cosmic ray imaging, have hinted at hidden chambers within the Great Pyramid, sparking new explorations. What secrets might these undiscovered spaces hold? Could they reveal more about the builders or the pharaohs? Then there are the legends of cursed tombs, tales of misfortune befalling those who disturb the pharaoh's eternal rest. While often sensationalized, these stories reflect the profound respect and fear ancient Egyptians held for their deceased rulers. Many also speculate about the advanced knowledge of the ancient Egyptians, particularly in astronomy and mathematics. The precise alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies suggests a sophisticated understanding of the cosmos. Their mathematical prowess is evident in the pyramid's geometry, a feat that continues to astound engineers today. These unsolved puzzles only deepen the allure of ancient Egypt, inviting us to ponder the true extent of their wisdom. We've journeyed through the construction, the lives of pharaohs, and the lingering mysteries of ancient Egypt. The pyramids and pharaohs stand as eternal testaments to a civilization that pushed the boundaries of human achievement. Their legacy continues to inspire awe and curiosity, shaping our understanding of history and human potential. The secrets of the pyramids and pharaohs are far from fully revealed, inviting us all to continue exploring. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Keep exploring the wonders of our past